How to change phone number on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings, which is beside Search button. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Account Center. Then click on Personal Details. In here, you'll find Account Info. Click on it and then add your new phone number. After you've added that, simply click on Save and you're good to go. This is how to change phone number on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.